When you picture a predator, you probably imagine the roar of a lion, the splash of a crocodile, or the rush of a shark through the water. But some of nature's most efficient hunters don't make a sound at all. Owls, with their ghostly presence and silent flight, have earned the title of silent killers of the night. Their ability to move undetected through darkness makes them one of the most remarkable and fearsome predators in the animal kingdom. Today, we'll uncover the secrets of why owls are such effective hunters and why their silence is deadlier than you think. Let's start with their most famous feature, silent flight. Unlike most birds, whose wings produce noise as air rushes over them, owls have specialized feathers that completely muffle the sound of their movement. The leading edges of their wings are serrated, breaking up turbulence into smaller streams that reduce noise. Their wings are also unusually broad and rounded, allowing them to glide more than flap. Combine this with a velvety texture on their feathers that absorbs sound, and you get a bird that can swoop down on prey without making a whisper. While a hawk or eagle announces its presence with rushing air, an owl arrives like a shadow in the night. This silence is not just a neat trick, it's essential. Many of the animals owls hunt, like mice, voles, and rabbits, have incredibly sharp hearing. A single rustle in the grass could give away a predator. But an owl's approach is utterly silent, allowing it to strike before prey even realizes it's in danger. Scientists studying barn owls in wind tunnels recorded how their wings eliminate nearly all flight noise, proving that their silence is one of the most finely tuned adaptations in the animal world. To small mammals on the forest floor, owls might as well be invisible. Next, consider their eyesight. Owls are not just silent, they see the world in a way that makes darkness irrelevant. Their enormous forward-facing eyes are packed with light-sensitive cells called rods, which allow them to detect movement in nearly complete darkness. While humans struggle to see under moonlight, an owl can spot the flicker of a mouse's tail from yards away. Their eyes don't move within their sockets like ours do, but they compensate with extraordinary neck flexibility, able to rotate their heads up to 270 degrees. This means no matter where prey hides, an owl can scan its surroundings without making a sound or shifting its body. But their hunting skills don't stop at vision. Owls also have one of the most advanced hearing systems in the animal kingdom. Their ears are asymmetrical, with one positioned higher than the other. This odd placement allows them to detect tiny differences in the time and volume of sound reaching each ear. In practice, this means an owl can pinpoint the exact location of a squeaking mouse buried under snow or leaves. Barn owls in particular are so precise that they can strike prey in total darkness using sound alone, almost like biological radar. Some researchers say their hearing is so sensitive they can locate prey with an error margin of less than 2 degrees. Now combine all these senses with their physical weapons. Owls may look fluffy and harmless, but their talons are as deadly as those of hawks or eagles. Designed to pierce and crush, these talons can exert incredible force, instantly killing small animals and firmly gripping larger ones. Once caught, prey has little chance of escape. The owl's hooked beak then finishes the job, tearing food into manageable pieces. To the prey below, the attack is not just silent, it's sudden, overwhelming, and final. For the owl, efficiency is everything. Their camouflage only adds to the threat. Many owl species have plumage that blends perfectly into tree bark, shadows, or snow. This allows them to perch silently, waiting motionless for hours before launching an attack. Prey has no warning because the owl looks like part of the landscape until it moves. This stealth, combined with silent flight, creates a predator that is virtually invisible until it strikes. Snowy owls vanish against frozen tundra, while tawny owls melt into woodland shadows. Wherever they live, camouflage is their first line of deception. Interestingly, owls are not fast hunters in the way falcons or eagles are. They don't rely on speed to chase down prey. Instead, their strategy is patience and precision. They wait, they watch, and when the moment comes, they descend without a sound. This strategy makes them incredibly efficient, especially in nocturnal environments where other predators struggle to see or be heard. For example, great horned owls can take down prey much larger than themselves simply by relying on surprise and strength rather than long chases. Culturally, owls have often been seen as symbols of mystery and even fear. Ancient civilizations associated them with death or the supernatural, perhaps because of their eerie calls and ghost-like hunting style. To people walking through the forest at night, an owl's sudden cry or silent swoop must have felt like an encounter with a spirit. The Romans believed owls were omens of misfortune, while in some Native American traditions, owls were seen as guardians of the night. Even today, many cultures see owls as omens, both of wisdom and of danger, reflecting the duality of their mysterious nature. But beyond myth, the biology of owls is what makes them extraordinary. They combine stealth technology that rivals human inventions, night vision that outperforms our best cameras, and a hunting strategy that ensures maximum efficiency with minimal energy. They are perfectly designed to dominate the night skies. Modern researchers even study owl feathers to inspire designs for quieter airplanes and wind turbines, showing how their adaptations have real-world applications for us. Owls also play a critical role in ecosystems. By controlling rodent populations, they help maintain balance in forests, grasslands, and even farmlands. A single barn owl family can consume thousands of mice and rats in a single breeding season, making them natural pest controllers. Farmers throughout history have valued owls for this reason, sometimes building nest boxes to attract them. Their silent hunting doesn't just ensure their survival, it supports entire environments by keeping prey populations in check. Not all owls are small either. The Eurasian eagle owl is one of the largest, with a wingspan of nearly 7 feet. It can take down foxes and even young deer. At the other end of the scale, the tiny elf owl of North America stands only 6 inches tall, but hunts insects and small lizards with the same silent precision as its larger cousins. This incredible diversity shows how the same set of adaptations, stealth, sight, hearing, can scale across species to make owls effective in almost any environment. So the next time you hear, or more likely, don't hear, an owl at night, remember what's really happening above you. A master predator is at work, moving with a silence so complete that it erases its presence from the world. Owls are not just birds of prey, they are living phantoms, silent killers of the night, and one of nature's most perfected hunting machines. The world is full of predators, but few inspire awe quite like the owl. Its silence is its greatest weapon. Its vision is a spotlight in the dark, and its patience makes it lethal. And in the quiet of the night, when the forest seems still, it may already be too late for the creatures below, because the owl has already chosen its target. In the dark skies where other hunters struggle, the owl reigns supreme, a master of shadows, a ghost of feathers, and a reminder that sometimes the deadliest forces in nature are the ones you never hear coming.